Hi, welcome back again. Welcome back to Six Plus Plus FX. So now in this video, I'll just be analyzing only BTC and Ethereum, which is BTC and ETH only. So I'll start from the 1 year time frame to see what's going on. So let's get started without wasting time. So let's check for the high and the low. We have the high, yeah, that's 1 year, and we have the low year, that's though this one is not the lowest though. So this is just the results that I can see on trading view now. This is all the data I can see on trading view now. This is the real data. So let me just mark this one like this. I hope you can see this thing. I hope you can see. Let's see if this 1 year time frame though. So let's see if this retest is going back up, or maybe it's still coming back down, because that this candlestick, you have bullish engulfing here. This bullish engulfing, it engulfed this one last year, throughout last year. Let me see. Okay, let me start with this. Let me start with this. This candlestick is 2017, 2018, and this 2019, and this is 2020. This candlestick is 2021, and this bullish engulfing candlestick is 2022. And this is 2023 that is currently forming. This 2023. Let's see if BTC is going back up in this year like this. Maybe this something like this. Maybe it's going back up like this at least a year. Or this week is going to engulf this week again, then shoot up. Or maybe you are going to experience something like this. So let me draw, let me draw, let me draw. Maybe something like this. So like this, up, up like this. So let me delete this. So we have two options here. Oh, this is okay. This is it like this, right? This is it. Down, down, suppose so. Then it shoot up like this, and it breaks the previous resistance. This is the highest, right? Then come down like this. Oh, okay, okay, like this. And see like this. So we have two options here. So let's draw. So then we have our maybe something like this. Yeah. So there's let me okay. So we have two possibilities here. We have two possibilities here. Either it shoot to the upside like this. Let me change this one to white style, or white, or should I change it to, let me change this one to green. Okay, green. Okay, and this one to red. I'm just trying to interpret what's going on 1 year time frame. Let me change this one to red. Can you see it's similar to what's going on? It's similar to this chart. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So you have two options. One, you have to stop like this, or come to this resistance and break this resistance. Sorry, this is not resistance, this is support. I'm sorry for that. This support. Maybe it's coming down to this support zone, break it, then continue down trade, or come down to this support, then shoot up. So let's go back to the real chart here. So can you see? Maybe it's coming down, maybe it still come down to this. Let me delete this, we don't need this. Maybe it's coming down like this. Maybe it's still form a bearish move like this. Go back to this support, then come down like this before going up, or maybe something like this, come down like this, you test this place again, this support, then come down like this. So can you see? So it's 50-50. An uptrend or downtrend is 50-50. So we don't know what's going to happen. So the best thing is just to go to lower time frame like this and see what's happening on lower time frame so as to decide if this thing is going up or is going down. So this 1 year time frame, like I said earlier, this 1 year time frame, that's 12 months, 1 year. So let's try to interpret this thing. Let's try to interpret it. Let's Okay, we have the highest here, which is 69,000, and we have weeks here. So can you see that bullish engulfing, price rejection, boom, 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 and see, throughout last year, it was bearish, so can you see that bullish engulf? So we should have something like support zone here, that maybe this year like this, going back to that support zone to retest or break that support. So now we have going back up to retest, broken support zone, going back up to test broken support zone, or going up, break that support zone. So let's keep it like this. So let me press one, enter, and enter. So that's it. So so let's see what's happening on 6 months time frame. So we have something like this, boom, boom, boom. Now let me delete everything here. Remove your drawing. Yeah. So now I think this. Let me draw this. Let me draw one like this and draw another one like this. Then go to 12-month time frame to see if that zones, if these two zones are valid like this. This one, two. We have support here, right? And you have resistance here, and you have support here. So it's something like this. Bam. Now that's resistance. That's another resistance, right? Then we have another resistance. So this is what is happening now. So we don't know what's going on like this. We don't know if this thing, this this candlestick is going to shoot up. It's going to shoot up. Oh, sorry. I think there is one support here. Let me try this again. Let me try the line again. Let me draw the line again. So I have something like this one. Resistance, support. Okay. Yes. We have timing here. Okay. I think yes. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. 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 Like this. Yeah. Yes. So, yes. I think I got it right now. I got it right now. So this is what is happening in the market now. This is just the interpretation of what's happening inside the market right now. So we have how many support and we have how many resistance. Let's count it. Let's count it. We have resistance. This is resistance. This one. Let's try something like this. Here's my test. Test. That's the. Let me drag this thing here. So we have resistance and we have support. So let's start with resistance. This is the first resistance one. Sorry, this is first resistance one, and this is the second. We have two resistance. So let's count supports. Support zone. We have one, this support zone, and we have two, and we have three. When we get to lower time frame, we'll be able to see this support zone. I know there's one support zone here, and we have three support zone. So what's happening? We have two resistance and three support zone. So and the current price is heading towards the price is now heading towards this support zone to form maybe resistance. Oh, can I say maybe it's going to form another resistance before coming down or break down so then shoot up. Now to let's get to this lower time frame. That's what's happening on 6 months. Oh, can I see? I think this is 6 months. This 6 months, yes, this 6 months. So let me draw a nice one like this. Let me go back to safe. Go back to 12 months and draw something like this. Yeah. So let's go back to now. Let's check 3 months. I saw what's happening on 3 month time frame. Okay, can I see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see that resistance? Double top, double bottom, W pattern. Boom, shoot up. Then it came back to retest that. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? This January, February, from going up, going up, going up. Maybe we should be expecting something like this. Maybe a push to this side. One, one, or one, down, or down, down, like this. A bullish trend like this. Higher low, higher low on lower time frame. So let's check the 1 month time frame and see what's happening on 1 month time frame. It's BTC. Let's check what's happening on 1 month time frame. 1 month. Yeah. Oh, nice. This 1 month time frame. That's breakout. That's breakout. That's trend line breakout. So that's 1 hour. Sorry, 1 month, not 1 hour. That's trend line breakout. We have trend line breakout on monthly time frame. So let's see what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to form something like this. Come back, retest, then consolidate a little like this, then shoot up. But very soon we still see $60,000 very soon. Very soon. We still see it's still. Now let's check. Now let's continue with 1 week. See what's happening. Oh, see what's happening. Yeah. I want to see. Okay, this one. Though this not a clear retest, this not a clear retest. But see this thing like this. See, we have an uptrend. This is how an uptrend looks like. I. So now I'm seeing something. See, it goes up like this, come down, then like this. So now I'm draw my trend line. See what's happening from this one to this one. Okay, breakout, breakout. Then in this. Okay, hidden panels, PPI, it is. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So I want to confirm this. I want to confirm this because it's likely for BTC to get to $30,000 next week, or maybe in the next 2 to 3 weeks or next month. It's likely for BTC to get to at least 30,000. This one, this one. Let me put it here. Coordinate 30,000. Okay. Yeah. So let's see what's also going on weekly time frame. Okay, this weekly. So daily. So I'm going to stop at daily time frame. Then move on to Ethereum. I don't want to go below daily time frame. That's what's going on daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. Mm, yeah, I think we should be expecting $30,000 at least. So let me mark this one out. For spot trader, not just trader, for spot trader, I think you can buy BTC now and take profit out. Take a first profit or secure your profit at $10,000. Then it's, you'll be looking forward to maybe $47,000 before 66,000. So it's going to take time. It's going to take time. I think that's all. At BTC, that's everything. But it might still come down to retrace before going up. It might still come down to this place to retest that trend line on monthly time frame before going up like this. So let's head back to monthly. so you can understand what I'm saying. So is it monthly or weekly? I think yeah, weekly, 1 week. Yeah, that because can you see? Can you see? So it might still come down to retest this one. Let me mark this one. This one is $15,000. Oh, it's around 16, right? Maybe 15 to $16,000. So this is my own conclusion on BTC. Let me write it. Possibly best at 16K before going up. As or okay. If okay. Normal moves, normal or a normal trend to 30,000. That's 30K. So that's it. So let's wait and see what's going to happen next week. So thank you. So let's go to ETH and see what's happening. ETH. Let me ETH and see what's happening. Okay, so you can see it clearly. And it. And let me do this. Let me do this. And let's go to ETH. I saw what's happening. ETH, USDT. Enter. So let's choose. So enter here. This ETH, I think BTC and ETH, they both have the same movement, the same trend. So can you see? I don't think guys. Let me check. Let me set this. This set. This this is ETH. Can you see? They both have the same trend, the same trend. They are moving the same way, the same trend. So now let me just check. Let me just check quickly. Since we already analyzed BTC on annual, that's 1 year, 6 months, and 3 months. So let me move to weekly and see what's going on. Weekly time frame here. Let me mark out all these ones. Mark out all this one. Okay. Let me check monthly first. Okay. So we have this and we have this. Yeah. So something. Okay. Now let's get weekly time frame. 1 week. So can you see that because so let's see it takes to maybe 2004. My conclusion which is maybe it's going to 2004, 2005. Yeah. And we have another one here. That's 3005 and we have another one here at 4007. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to shoot up like this. Or really consolidate, go up first before coming down to retest, then go up. So let's hope for the best. Thank you. Let's hope for the best. I think that's all on ETH and BTC. I just want to analyze the two. So maybe this weekend I will analyze on Forex, maybe static or normal GPSD and USD KPI and DSO. Thank you everyone.